Hi, I am Josh from Pursho. Introducing drYR, your ultimate laundry management software. Here are its features: powerful POS for quick billing. Experience the power of our drYR point-of-sale system with lightning-fast search. Offer a variety of services with customizable pricing. Easily manage customers across different stores, branches. Apply discounts, credit, and promo codes for customer satisfaction. Add service add-ons, set delivery dates, and include quick notes for a seamless customer experience. Generate professional invoices effortlessly. Orders management. Effortlessly manage orders with multiple services, taxes, discounts, quantities, and prices. Print barcode labels for SKU or item identification. Create and edit multiple orders from requests or quotes. Keep track of order payments and receive automated notifications through email and SMS about upcoming order statuses. Services. Efficiently manage all your products with service types, pricing, and images. Upload bulk services with ease to save time. Multi-store search branch management. Empower your super admin to control all stores from a single place. Edit price lists, services, and garment lists for the entire business remotely. Each store sort branch can manage customer information, service preferences, and communication preferences. Generate and print POS order invoices and receipts seamlessly. Manage customers. Effortlessly manage all your customers' details to build strong relationships. Coupons, discounts, and promo codes. Boost business with discounts and credit assignments to stores, branches. Use promo codes to drive customer engagement. Expense and cash management. Effectively manage all company expenses with categorization and receipts. Easily track operational and non-operational expenses. Generate an easy accounting system for cash management. Reports. Stay on top of your laundry business with daily, order, sales, expense, and tax reports. User and role management. Assign roles to users with specific permissions, ensuring secure access and an easy learning curve. Staff permissions. Grant specific permissions to staff members, ensuring control over their actions and access. High performance. Enjoy lightning-fast performance and page load times with our advanced POS and inventory management system. Notification. Keep customers informed about their order progress with timely notifications. Email. Set up predefined email templates and manage email SMTP for automated communication. SMS add-on. Enable real-time communication and convenient order modifications through SMS. SMS gateway. To be integrated additionally as per your country. Manage settings. Customize your app with auto-approval settings, currency settings, logo settings, time zone, and more. Upgrade your laundry business with Pursho and witness a seamless, efficient, and productive laundry management experience. Try it now. For more details, visit Purshology.com or mail at connect@purshology.com. Bye-bye. Thank you.